Some things are more than a device. They are actually an experience, a cult, an icon. And this is the reason why I had kept this Motorola Razr since the yesteryears for so long. It is still a beauty. Very few things are satisfying as this. I could do this all day long. But as with everything, we must move into the future and adapt. And in front of me is a box which holds the smartphone of the future. Oh my God. This box can pass for itself as an art installation, as a device, and this is the most beautiful box that I've ever seen in my life. For any product, this is a beauty. You can tell how premium a product is by just looking at its packaging, and this one really takes the cake. Amazing. But the real deal is inside the box, and here is the new Motorola Razr. I mean, look at this beauty. And how can they make something so thin? And that is exactly why they call it the Razr. The engineers at Motorola, they spent a lot of time in perfecting this hinge. You know, this hinge that you see or you don't see, it's a compliment. This hinge which they actually took a lot of time to pull off. There is absolutely almost no crease. They have pulled off a stunner. Oh. And it also has a fingerprint reader. See this, this looks like magic. And you know, you cannot figure out if there is a crease. It feels like something like fabric, liquid, something like that in between. In short, this is magic for now. Unbelievably thin. Wow. But this also has one more display like the old Razr. This one, you can do a hell lot of things with just this display without even opening the phone, like receive calls and even take selfies. Have a look at this. Alright, so this thing actually, when you shake, it goes into selfie mode, and you just click a selfie, just flip it open, and this will actually be still in the camera mode like this. In the box, you have another case which can pass off for a case for a very expensive shade sunglass. When you open this, you will find the manuals. Everything is top notch. I mean, these are the headphones, the charger, the charging cable, and the earbuds. And basically, this is another thing which you probably would never throw. This box can also be used as an audio multiplier or as a boom box for the phone, which actually funnels the sound from the phone through the box, and it also of course doubles up as a stand. But for me, it is not only for this, it is also because of the show-off value that this phone has. Imagine having this on your table. You know, xBhp and me, since 2003, we have been doing trend-setting road trips and also showcasing what we can do with our cameras and new gadgets. And this thing actually fits the bill as far as imagery is concerned. This is iconic, sophisticated, and futuristic at the same time. It's a very, very rare combination. It is but obvious that we need to go to our natural habitat. And we need an iconic superbike for an iconic device like this. Don't I love doing this? Time to roll.